Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving deep into the diverse world of e-commerce. In this video, we'll explore the various types of e-commerce in detail to help you understand how the digital marketplace operates. So, let's get started. First up, we have business to consumer or B2C e-commerce. This is the most familiar type, where businesses sell products directly to individual consumers, such as Amazon, eBay, or your favorite clothing store's website. B2C e-commerce is massive, with billions of dollars in sales each year. It's where you and I shop for everything from electronics to fashion. Next, we have business to business or B2B e-commerce. This involves businesses selling products or services to other businesses. It's the backbone of many industries, where wholesalers, manufacturers, and suppliers connect with retailers. B2B e-commerce is all about efficiency, cost reduction, and streamlining supply chains. It's the reason why your local store can stock products efficiently. Now, let's talk about consumer to consumer or C2C e-commerce. This type involves individuals selling products or services directly to other individuals. You've likely used platforms like eBay or Craigslist, where everyday people become sellers. C2C e-commerce empowers individuals to declutter, make extra income, and find unique items. It's like a virtual garage sale. Here's an interesting twist: consumer to business or C2B e-commerce. In C2B, individuals offer their skills, services, or products to businesses. Freelancers, influencers, and content creators often use this model to collaborate with companies. C2B e-commerce is where the gig economy meets influencer marketing, creating unique opportunities for individuals to monetize their skills and influence. Lastly, we have mobile commerce or m-commerce. It's all about shopping on the go using smartphones or tablets. With apps like Amazon, Walmart, and food delivery services, m-commerce has become incredibly convenient. M-commerce has witnessed explosive growth, changing the way we shop. It's revolutionized impulse buying and made shopping possible from virtually anywhere. Today's video, you have a comprehensive look at the various types of e-commerce. Whether you're a consumer, a business owner, or someone looking to make a living online, e-commerce offers diverse opportunities. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to